Good day, everyone. Learn how to download and install VLC Media Player, one of the best and old and vintage media player, which is loved by many. So here, open your browser and in the Google search VLC Media Player. Once you search it, VLC Media Player, please make sure you only visit this videolan.org. This is the official website to download the VLC Media Player, which is an open source cross-platform multimedia player. And I'll click on download. You can download it for Windows, for operating system like iOS, Android, Mac. There's so many versions are there. Mac OS, Apple Silicon. So we are going to download the Windows 64-bit. The moment you will click on download, a very small file will start getting downloaded, and your download will start in few seconds. So I can see the download has begun, and a 42.9 MB file is getting downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you will see the top right corner, you will see the file has been downloaded, and I'll click on open, and very soon it will ask you to say yes, and it will ask you to select the language. So from here you can change the language to your convenience. I'll keep English. I'll click on OK, and then we will click on next, and again I'll click on next, and here we don't have to make any changes. Again we will click on next. Please make sure you should have at least 182 MB space available. From here you can change the destination folder. If you want to install it to your different drive, you can do that. I'll click on install, and it's getting extracted and getting installed. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.